What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a Tool Tuesday. Yes, I said it. Tool Tuesday, a new thing we are bringing to the channel, and I hope to be doing this more often. I'm always picking up tools. I'm always finding these deals. I would like to bring more of this to you guys, and I just have fun and play with the new tools that I got. So just starting out, I'll show you guys what I got. As you guys can see from title and thumbnail, this is the new and improved Braun under hood light. This is the one that's 1200 lumens, and it was on sale at Harbor Freight for like $54, which couldn't beat it. For the OG subscribers, you guys know I have a bunch of Milwaukee tools, and excuse me for itching myself, there's a lot of mosquitoes out here. Drop a thumbs up for your boy for getting eaten alive. You guys know I have a lot of Milwaukee tools, and I've been eyeing that Milwaukee under hood light for some time now, and you guys know that thing's like $200 tool only. So I was like, man, that thing is 1350 lumens. This one's 1200 lumens. This one normally is $75. It went on sale at Harbor Freight for $54, and I was like, you know what? For a quarter of the price of the Milwaukee one, it wouldn't hurt to try this one. I have a lot of Braun lights, including this one that I'm using to film with right now. This one's 1250 lumens, and this is the Braun little portable light. This one I used to use for my under hood light a lot. I would just kind of prop it up on here, the hood like that, but facing down, and that's what I would use before. But before, I would have to zip tie that light up and stuff like that. So I have a lot of Braun products, which I'll show you guys right now. The trusty and true foldable light right here. This is the first version. They actually came out with another version. This one, the battery's kind of dead on it. It's charging right now. With the magnetic thing on the bottom. And this one was 500 lumens, I believe. If you guys don't know me, I am a freaking light freak. I love flashlights. I love lighting. I was actually gonna put a Braun light in here, but this is my apartment. I'm not gonna upgrade the lighting in here and not take it with me, so let me just stick it out for a little bit until I get my own house. So once I get my own house, I'm gonna be hanging those Braun 10,000 lumen shop lights all across the garage and have awesome lighting. So you'll see more on that whenever I get my house. And this is the new Braun 90-degree flashlight that came out. I think this one's like 900 lumens, and this thing is stupid bright. And you can fold it back regular, like a regular flashlight. So I back the Braun products, man. The rechargeable life on these are awesome. So I don't see why that under hood light wouldn't be great as well. So as far as this under hood light, there's actually two versions of this light, and the number one is like 840 lumens or something weird like that, and it doesn't have these hooks that hook onto the hood. That's why I never really got it, because they only have, it's just the light, and then it has two little magnetic cups on it. You guys know my hood is carbon fiber, so I would have nowhere to hang that light, or have to figure out something how to hang it. And that's why I kind of steered away from that light. I think that light's like $35, and that one did get a bad rep. It didn't have that good of reviews on it, and there's really no YouTube videos on this, so I figured I'd make my own. This one has a rechargeable light on it, so I like that it's wireless, and it has the feature to work while it's being charged. So say you have a long night in the garage and the battery keeps on dying, just bring this one should be type C. We'll figure it out once it gets out. Oh, and it says it comes with the AC charge adapter, so that's pretty cool. We'll see what it takes to charge it and see what it looks like, because I'm really excited. And it is dark outside, so this is a perfect time to film this video, see what it looks like, and see in all of its glory. And it says it's a natural white 7000K. So this is the box. Go ahead and break on open into it. Go ahead and break it open and see what all lies inside, guys. I'm really excited. Like I said, I love freaking lights. Man, dude, I love Harbor Freight, dude. Anytime they have deals or whatever, I go in there looking for one tool, and I come out spending $100 every time. So this is all that comes in the box. There's literally nothing else in here. And my battery on my camera is dying, so let's try to speed this up a little bit. Alright, so once you take the plastic off, I'm assuming this is the charger, and this is the light. Oh, I'm assuming this is it. Oh yeah, that's it right there. And it comes with an instruction manual, and I'm assuming warranty, which I think Braun has awesome warranty, which is probably like 90 days and no hassle-free return. So that's what I really like about them. And like I said, I have all their flashlights, I have their portable light, and oh look, that's sick. It actually rotates. So this is the light right here. It's literally, it's not too big. These come out like that to stretch across any hood. And under hood light, 5200 milliamps of Li-ion battery life. Let's go ahead and turn this baby on. I'm really excited. Okay, so is that the, oh, okay. Sweet, so this is the low mode. And you can actually turn this lens to diffuse the light, or to add a whole diffuse like that, if you guys can see. So this goes to straight LEDs, and then this goes to the little diffuse light to get kind of do a little look at that lighting, dude. That's sick. And this is low, high. So this is kind of just to diffuse the light. Dude, that looks like professional YouTube lighting right there. I'm super excited, and it only came with 3 bars of light of a battery life. So let's go ahead and throw this on the hood of the car and see what it looks like. All right, guys. So as y'all can see, it's dark outside. We're in the garage, and this is all we got. So this is the little light that I was showing y'all earlier. This is the one I use. This is 1250 lumens, packs a punch, and I usually zip tie it right here. And that gives us pretty good lighting. But this thing, it doesn't have that great a life, and you always have to charge it. And this one you can't charge while it's on, so that sucks. But it's been doing the job, man. It's been doing the job. Like when we did the F-150, we were swapping the intake manifolds and stuff like that. It does the job, but this is not what it's made for. It's made to sit down, kind of just like that, and set up. And it also has a little screw for a tripod, so you could put this on a tripod and kind of use the lighting just how I was using it. But this is what we got right here until we pop open that Braun light right now. Let's try it out. Alright guys, for the moment of truth, I've been waiting for an underhood light. You guys don't understand how long. So these actually have little rubber. Does this move? Oh, okay. So you can actually adjust it and it locks. Adjust it down, adjust it up, locks, more, yep. So really adjustable, which that would probably be what we're gonna work for. And obviously the other side's the same way. And it doesn't feel cheap for actually how cheap the light is. So we'll go underneath the hood prop, just like that. Stretch it out, boom. And it's sliding already. Okay, let's start with no diffuse on it. Just straight LEDs. Hit the on button. That's low. And that's high. Man, that looks freaking sick. Yeah, man, that is freaking awesome. And just like I showed you guys before, we can turn the light to kind of wherever we want. Or you could just do the diffuse light kind of like that, where it's not so harsh. Or you could turn it and go straight full on LEDs, which that's freaking awesome also. And look how much freaking light there is, guys. Dude, that is freaking sick. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so glad I freaking bought this light, dude. That is freaking awesome, but the true test of this light is exactly how long this thing's gonna last. But I was lying about the USB-C. It kind of comes with just an AC adapter just like that, so that's cool. We can run an extension cord to it and have it plugged in whenever long nights wrenching on the car, and that thing is freaking awesome. One thing I also wanted to try is this. Man, don't you want to film at night and film in the inside of your car but there's no freaking light available, and you're working on the inside of your car and it's so freaking dark, fear no more. Braun has you covered. Look at that, guys. Turn it. Look at how much freaking light there is in here, guys. That is so sick. So this is actually the diffused light right there, where it's not so harsh. And that's wide open right there. That is so sick, you guys. Look how much freaking light there is in here. That's ridiculous. We could easily do a detailing job in the car, or make late night radio installs, work on the interior of the car. This is absolutely freaking insane. Look at that. That's so freaking sick. It fits the whole roof of the car. Look at that. Guys, look at that, dude. That's so freaking awesome. You cannot beat that for 50 bucks. You really cannot beat that. Look at how well it fits. Look at that, man. It doesn't just serve as an underhood light or a light inside the car. It freaking works as YouTube studio lights. Look at that. Look at that. That's so freaking sick. That is absolutely ridiculous. Look how good that freaking light looks. I'm so happy with that, guys. I don't care if that light only lasts me a couple of hours under the hood. Plug it in, dude, 50 bucks. We also picked up this American flag because there was ugly holes right there, and who doesn't love America? Got that for 15 bucks. Harbor Freight tool haul. But let me know what you guys think about the Braun underhood light. Let me know if you guys had it. Let me know if you guys have used this one before. Let me know if you guys have some hours using it, and let me know what your honest thoughts are about it, because I think for the price, man, you can't freaking beat it. As far as how much it lights up the hood, how much it lights up the inside of the car, for 50 bucks, man, you literally cannot beat it. I think I paid 25 for this little thing, and this thing works good under the car, setting it up whenever you're doing oil changes or working underneath the car or whatever like that. This little thing, definitely recommend this. And it also serves as a power bank for your phone or whatever. So this one's actually 4400 milliamp, which that's 5200, so they carry a lot of battery life. So yeah, man, I definitely recommend that light as far as first opinions. If you guys want to wait a little bit to see, you know, I use it and the wear and tear on it, and see if this thing lasts, which it's Braun, man, so I really do think it's gonna last. Let me actually get the warranty out for you guys, see what kind of warranty this thing covers. Alright, so the warranty actually says that it's on a 90-day warranty, so that's pretty cool. I'll definitely be using that a lot. You guys know Nitrous Mustang, it's back, and before we do any track runs or anything like that, we'll definitely be using that light. I know it will come in clutch even when it's daytime outside, because in here, you guys can tell, the light is underneath the hood and it's kind of dark in there, so even during the daytime, that light is going to come in clutch. And before we do that, let's go try one more thing. Alright guys, so it almost failed the test. We got our diesel here. And it's a good thing they included those adjustable mounts there, because it barely reached all the way across. I had to fold this back, and the light freaking works. Check it out. Low, high. Damn, man, that's so sick. Look at that. And then the light was pulled all the way to the right. So I was like, well, that sucks. What if we have to work over here? The freaking light moves across. Look at that, man. That's absolutely ridiculous. So sick. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up on the review of this new Braun 1250 underhood light. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it's so freaking sick. I'm really happy I went and picked this up because sale was about to end in a couple days and I just had to grab it, man. I had to go try it out. And it's so sick that it actually slides across once it's fully extended, because that literally makes this thing so versatile. I can't believe it. If it fits my Mustang, fits my F-250 diesel, it should fit whatever you guys put it on. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys gonna pick this one up yourself. And if you guys enjoyed this one, please drop a like and let me know down below if you want me to do more tool videos, more reviews, stuff like that. And Braun, if you're watching this, thank you, man, for making an awesome product and for all y'all's flashlights and everything. Super cool, super cool. So with that, guys, that'll be all. We'll see you guys on the next one. And if you guys are new to the channel, this is my nitrous Mustang, doing racing content on that. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned for more content. We upload every single Tuesdays, 5:30 Central Standard Time. And with that, we'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy, 4.6Chris. Peace out, man.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that